I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. Today, I didn't do much today. I just want to check on my sea monkeys, see how they're doing. So let's go do that.
Giving the sea monkeys some oxygen. That's how you do it. I use a little tube thingy like this. Whee! Come on.
What, the monkeys? The swimming? Oh, what? But look like that. Look at
That one's not doing so well.
which one? Yeah.
This one here. He's been kind of, I don't know what's up with him. Don't know.
Don't know he's doing.
Just kind of hanging out there, I guess. Where's the other one at?
Right there.
Where?
Well,
Oh, there he is.
he's up there.
Yeah, look how big they got. Look how big they've gotten. Dude, look at that one.
Look all of them. They're turning.
Cool.
They're turning the white sea monkeys. Their kid had a bit.
Where'd the other one go?
Right there.
Oh, there he is. He got oxygen now. He's ready to roll now.
Oh my god, that one almost crashed to that one.
Look how cool they look.
Look, that would stay right there.
Almost like you really don't need to zoom in on them. Just kind of set them up like that.
Why sea monkeys can't swim?
Here's a water bottle I occasionally put in there, the lukewarm.
Sea
The top
monkeys,
one's up here.
sea monkeys be happy?
Mm-hmm. Let's record them for a little bit. Let's see how pretty they swim. Don't move the table.
Oh my gosh. Now we got small eyes. What's the sea monkey? Look, that one does not have no
I'm
eyes.
not sure what's on the other one. The other one's been having like a, I don't know, black and white balls in the back of them or something. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look it up.
It's right there. He's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one. That one spin round circles. Why would sea monkey go out?
Back up. I'm recording.
See this ghost girl floating on a rock. Her husband or someone killed her. It's actually pretty cool. I forget what mountain it is.
She's going back to school. Carolyn's going back to school. There she goes. Are those really empty? She's off the bus now. Oh, one of them days.
Deer tracks.
No, I don't think it's deer. Some type of animal keeps jumping over our fence.
Deer.
It's cold out here.
Might be the squirrel.
Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Good night. I'm going back to school.
Come on, it's cold. I can't stand here much longer.
I don't want to go.
Don't you just love snow on your windshield? It's cold.
Nothing like snow in the morning.
Here, I got it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Watch. Close your door. Oh my gosh. It just took a big... Well, I think God, it didn't stick. Okay, we're going to record ourselves. Alright, we are headed to get some Taco Bell, and that sun is so bright. We're getting Taco Bell, and Carolyn's making faces, and we gotta go to the store to get a couple things.
I did not do anything.
Ah! My hair is like messy today.
My eyeballs.
It's always messy, seems like.
I
There we go. Am I recording?
I think so.
Okay. The sun is bright, guys. Sorry about that. That's very loud. Here we go. I think it's supposed to snow at tonight and on till tomorrow morning.
My teacher said it's a possible chance we're not going to be able to have school tomorrow.
Your teacher said that? Well, then that's a good deal. Yay! Woohoo! No school tomorrow! Usually when a teacher says that, most likely they're not going to have school. Let's just hope. Okay. What do you guys want from Taco Bell?
I want my deal, man. Not your fries, man.
What else, huh? You can't just have...
Not your
They're
fries.
small. What else? You
Two
gotta have
nacho
something
fries.
else. No, you have something else.
100 nacho fries.
No.
Nacho fries. Nacho fries are good.
Oh my god, there's a big chunk. Big chunk of ice. Or snow,
ice.
Whatever.
Ice, snow.
I'm trying to be
Alright,
careful.
Mom, I got
These
a
roads
joke.
are probably
I
bad.
got a joke for you
Wait.
and the other people out there.
Oh god, let's hear it.
Why don't you wait, hold on. I think I got it. I forgot it.
When's the joke gonna start? No joke?
Hold on. Why don't you want to give Elsa a balloon?
I don't know.
'Cause she'll let it go. Let it go.
That wasn't funny.
Yes, it was, 'cause she'll let the balloon go. Let it go. See, you
Honey,
laughed.
the joke thing is on my phone. Look them up.
So.
No, I'm joking. No, the other night, our...
Guys, I got another joke.
Quit interrupting me.
I got another joke. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator.
Yeah.
An investigator.
Okay, can I speak now?
No. Wait, one more joke.
Boy.
Why won't you let mommy sleep? She's tired. Poor mommy.
I tell you what.
Poor mommy. She's got to deal with me all the day.
No, I love you. Oh yeah, I just signed up for Avon. The website was down a little bit yesterday, but it's back up. They had to just check my account information. But I am selling Avon, so if there's any, look on the website. I'm going to link it down below to my link or to my Avon
website, so you can click on it and see what you want to buy. So yeah, that's the deal. I'm going to be selling Avon. I will not get my starter kit, they said, in the next like 7 business days, so it's probably going to be about a week until I get that, so I won't be able to promote any product yet. So I'm going to go ahead and like order samples. Maybe them will come in before then, so I can go ahead and show them off to y'all. But that being said, I have a separate account for that on YouTube. Well, it's in my channels. You might be able to see it. I don't know, but I'll send a link to that channel. I haven't posted any videos of Avon yet because I just created it. So we'll see what happens. I hope I do good with it, you know. I mean, I'm gonna try the best I can, you know. I mean, Avon's pretty reasonable with prices and stuff like that. I'm just really excited to get started, really. I'm really anxious. I keep going to like the website to see if like anybody's like ordered anything yet. So I'm really excited about it. As I'm rambling on and my daughter's making faces. And I'm gonna kick her butt. No, I gotta go to Rite Aid first. Because I gotta get my medicine. My free. We're gonna go ahead and go in here and Rite Aid real quick and get some things, so we'll be right back.
Bye.
We got coconut oil. Let me see it. Let me see. Is that it? I think that's what I need. Yay! Alright, we gotta get it. Let's check their Valentine's stuff. Do we have any ramen noodles? Let's get 2 packs of that. Come on. What? Come on.
Wait, where?
Right there. Ramen, baby. Ramen noodles. Is there anything else? We need honey. Right here. Honey. Yes. So we need any almond oil. We got vegetable oil. Okay. Let's check out the Valentine's stuff.
Alright, we're back. I couldn't record too much because they had cameras everywhere and people were staring at me like I was retarded. Oops. Here comes Carolyn. Man. Let's go.
Full of snow.
Yeah, it is valuable.
It's not valuable.
The nacho part is valuable.
My nachos!
No, because I get one.
My nachos.
Carolyn. I'm slowly getting up here. Oh, man. Really?
I can go in.
Go in. Can you? Wait, I don't know. It might be quicker through here. No, we'll stay in drive-thru. There's people in line up there. They are so freaking rude and slow here. It's not even funny. I just want a large fry and I had to sit there and wait at the speaker for like ever. Like nobody said anything.
Fix this.
And there was like nobody in front and no one really in the back.
Look.
It's not like they're busy, you know what I'm saying? Vitamin D. Everybody does.
Need the vitamin D.
Alright. We are turning left onto a road called Fart Knocker.
That was actually a word. That should actually be street.
I should look
Fart
it up.
Knocker.
Yeah, I
oh my
should
gosh,
look it
that
up.
should be. Oh my gosh. Imagine if it was a real street.
Sorry guys, I'm just like, I shouldn't be talking. I should just keep my mouth shut because I'm talking too much. You mean they came?
Maybe.
They came! The trash people came.
Trash guys.
Alright, Carolyn, you know the drill, right?
No.
Get the stuff in the house.
Crap.
And I'll get the food.
See my food right here.
Alright, everybody, we're going in and we are
Alright, everybody,
eating.
we're gonna close the vlog out.
And contrast all the different factories.
Hey!
That she drinks.
How much time it takes
Hey!
to, generate.
Guys!
Subscribe and turn on notifications.